Sharing Cosmo. How'd you work it all?
Everybody should share the cosmos.
Cosmos here. Say happy. Hell, what's your next sharing Cosmos?
Who's here?
Cosmo? You're a bucket doll. Bucket doll. That's why I need sharing Cosmo.
That's right, everybody should share the cosmos.
Echoes here. It's your name.
What?
Bucket doll.
Right, Mommy bark like a dog.
Hey,
Cosmo did.
Cosmo's here. Cosmo, bucket doll. Cosmo bucket doll, shut up. Cosmo growl. Don't put the bucket doll. Cosmo growl. What's your name?